What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when text notifications are not received or otherwise not working properly on your iOS 17 device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, ensure the text notifications are not disabled after the iOS 17 update. To check this, open up your Settings app and go to Notifications. Scroll down and under Notification Style, you will see all your apps along with their notification settings. Scroll down until you see the app where you're not receiving text notifications for. Once found, make sure the notifications are not set to off. If the notifications are off by any chance, tap on the app icon and proceed to toggle the Allow Notifications option back on. With that done, you'll receive text notifications for that particular application. If you still don't receive notifications, even after toggling on the Allow Notifications option on your app, there's no need to worry. Just ensure the notifications are not set to deliver quietly. If that's the case, tap on your app icon again and proceed to check all the three types of alerts: lock screen, notification center, and banners. To be on the safe side, also make sure that the sounds and badges options are toggled on. This should fix the text notifications not working issue for most users. In case the problem persists, it could be that the Do Not Disturb feature is enabled on your device. For those unaware, when Do Not Disturb is toggled on, all your text notifications, except for the time-sensitive alerts, are disabled. To see if you have Do Not Disturb toggled on, open your Control Center. Under the Lock Rotation option, you will see the Do Not Disturb option, usually disabled, but it could be toggled on by mistake. Just tap on the moon icon to turn it off. And there you go, text notifications will soon start to appear on your iPhone. If all else fails, the only hope is to restart your device. It could be that some software glitch is causing the text notifications to not appear on your iPhone, or that network-related issues prevent them from arriving entirely. To restart your iPhone, follow the following steps quickly. Tap on the volume up button. Tap on the volume down button and then hold the power button. You will see the slide to power off screen. Proceed to turn off your iOS device. Once powered off, press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears on your screen and release the power button. Once your device is rebooted, any software glitch causing the text notifications to not appear on your iPhone will be gone for now, and you'll receive text notifications as usual. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.